Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original design. This is the JFK knot, so today is the anniversary of his assassination, so I want to commemorate him and his life with this knot. Let's get started. My left side is at the belt line. Gonna come over, put in a dimple, bring it over here to the center, come around like this, come across like this right here. Gonna come around, up and over, and I'm going to leave it much like this. And then I'm going to kind of turn it to the side and then just open up just slightly there. So we have that, and then we're going to come with a wreath under. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this in half. And we're going to put this through here. And then fold it. Keep it folded in half and then just come up like this. I put my collar down. And there you have it. So again, own your assignment, my friends. You're fearfully, wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.